In this tutorial, I will demonstrate delimiters plus the break option featured in the panel. First, I will drag out a constant offset vintage border profile on this rectangle by holding down both Shift and Option Alt. I will temporarily switch to the much simpler zigzag stitch profile so that it's easier to see the delimiter arrowheads which are placed at both extents of the profile. Switching back to the vintage border profile, I will click and drag this top delimiter around, up and over the top of the path. While I do this, it's clear to see that the repeating profile is extended with it. Notice how it's stretched out around the corner? This is due to the corner option I have enabled for this border. Please refer to the dedicated tutorial video covering corner strategies. Continuing to drag the delimiter, when each profile instance stretches to its maximum repeat distance, again something detailed in a separate tutorial, a new profile instance is added. I can also drag the opposing delimiter around the path. If I make them cross over, I'm simply automatically switched to controlling the other delimiter. The delimiters will snap to points on the path, such as corner points, which can be overridden by holding down the Command key on macOS or Control on Windows. In the constant offset mode applied to the closed path, if I bring both delimiters precisely together on a corner point, you can notice how the profile doesn't extend around that corner point as it does with the others. For that to happen, I need to convert the reprofile to the looped mode by double-clicking on the delimiter. Once converted, I can remove any unwanted offset markers that are retained by double-clicking on each and adjust the profile's height using the looped mode markers. Finally, the vintage border profile I've been using really looks best if the profile segments are constrained within the underlined path segments. By ticking the break option, the tool automatically adds the necessary number of instances for each side of the rectangle and stretches them accordingly, ensuring they are not distorted around the corner. This option is also valid when applying default or constant offset reprofiles.